Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's officially fall, which means all pumpkin items are now stocked in stores, and one of my favorites is the butternut squash mac and cheese at Trader Joe's. So today we're going to learn how to make it at home and even better. It's super easy to make and honestly one of the coziest meals. So here's everything you're going to need to make this recipe. Over medium heat, add unsalted butter to your heated pot. To add a more nutty, beautiful flavor, allow your butter to brown just like this. Then sprinkle in the all-purpose flour and mix together to create your roux. Allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Also make sure to stir or whisk it really well as it cooks, and then we're going to add in our half and half. Once all the half and half is added, continuously whisk it to avoid any clumping. It's going to thicken up and be able to coat the back of your spoon, and that's when you're going to drop the heat low or completely take it off the heat. The key to avoiding a grainy cheese sauce or one that splits is to drop your heat, so don't forget that important step. Now, another important tip is to make sure you grate your own cheese, so we're going to use some sharp cheddar, some Gouda, and Parmesan. We're also going to add our butternut squash puree along with our spices, which includes dry mustard powder, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, sage, thyme, garlic powder, a dash of cayenne pepper, and nutmeg. Mix that all together until it's nice and smooth, and then we can move on to adding our pasta. You can use any pasta shape, just follow the directions on the package and make sure to boil it in salted water. Add the pasta in and mix it really well to make sure each one is coated nice and thick in that sauce. I like to serve it with some red pepper flakes on top and of course some more Parmesan, and that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. On that note, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!